Today we're featuring a brand new series called Cocktails with a Twist. Our first featured drink is a strawberry margarita featuring 3 products from Natalie's: margarita mix, strawberry lemonade, and orange juice. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie, a sweet, fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Margarita. Nothing goes better with Mexican food than a great tasting margarita. It's also a great cocktail on its own when you want something tangy and sweet. Today we're going to show you how to make a strawberry margarita at home using Natalie's margarita mix, strawberry lemonade, and orange juice, along with your favorite tequila and orange liqueur. To get started, you'll need 1 cup of ice, 2/3 cup of Natalie's margarita mix, 1/3 cup of Natalie's strawberry lemonade, and 2 ounces of Natalie's orange juice, which is optional, 1 shot of Grand Marnier orange liqueur, 2 shots of Jose Cuervo Gold Tequila, 5 fresh strawberries, 4 for the cocktail and 1 for the glass, 1 lime, 1 orange, which is an optional garnish, and 1 ounce of salt. For the equipment, you'll need a blender, 3 8-ounce glasses or measuring cups, a shot glass, a margarita glass, a paring knife, cutting board, and a plate. Our first step is to put the ice into the blender. Next, we'll add in our margarita mix, the strawberry lemonade, and the orange juice, which is optional. Now, some Mexican restaurants put orange juice in the margaritas to make it a Texas margarita. Next, we'll add in 2 shots of tequila. Now, we're using Jose Cuervo Gold, but you could use whatever tequila you like. And then we'll add in 1 shot of Grand Marnier. Now, some restaurants will use triple sec. They're both orange liqueurs. Let's add in some fresh fruit. Cut the tops off of the 4 strawberries and put them into the blender. While we have our paring knife out, let's prepare our last strawberry for the margarita glass. Cut a slit into the tip of the strawberry and pull the leaves up. This will be used as a garnish for our glass. Take the lime and cut it in half and then into quarters. Cut a slit into the lime. This will be used as a garnish next to the strawberry. To get our glass ready, put some salt onto the plate. Wet the top of the glass with a damp paper towel or the fruit that you just sliced, and put the top of the glass into the salt. Place the strawberry onto the rim of the glass, and then place the lime next to the strawberry. Now that our glass is all set, let's get our margarita ready. Put the lid onto the blender and give it a whirl. "10 to 15 seconds and we're ready to pour. And there it is, a fresh-made strawberry margarita using Natalie's margarita mix, strawberry lemonade, and orange juice, with Jose Cuervo Gold Tequila, Grand Marnier orange liqueur, and fresh strawberries in a salted glass. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.